was your day?
My day was good. How was your day?
Awesome.
Awesome. All right, you want some pancakes?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. All right. All right. Which one do you like?
I'll take this one.
You want to pick this one? All right. Yeah. Let me help you. I got it. It's gonna fall. All right. You want some maple syrup on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
All right. Here you go. There you go. You probably want to use your knife though, dude. Oh, a lot of maple syrup. You want me to pour you some tea in while you're doing that?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, go for it. Well.
Awesome.
Yeah? Nice. All right. Do you think that we should make a video and teach others how to make these?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. You heard the man. Let's do it. All right, let's get started. So, flour goes in, then our sugar, salt, baking powder. What we're gonna do is we're going to sift it together. You can skip this step. You can just mix everything in. You don't necessarily have to. It just goes ahead and makes it a little bit better. All right. See? Now we got rid of all that stuff that would have been stuck in there. Okay. That's our dry ingredients. Next is going to be our wet ingredients. We're going to have eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and break them up a little bit. Then we're going to add our milk. And then we're going to add on our sour cream. So good. Then we're going to add in our vanilla. I'm going to mix this all up. All right. Almost there. And don't be afraid if it doesn't look good. It's okay. Perfect. Now we're going to combine everything together. So all you're going to do, plop this all in. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing. Now this will not look like your crepe batter. This is going to be a pancake batter. I'm sure you guys know, but the pancake batter looks a lot thicker than crepe batter. The baking powder is going to allow it to go ahead and to rise as it's cooking. Now when you look at it, it should be pretty consistent and form a little bit of a ribbon on top. That's going to be a perfect consistency. Now if you follow the instructions and if you follow how the amounts, you're going to be good to go. All right, so our batter is all ready, so let's go ahead and get cooking. All right guys, let's get started on the next steps. So we have our saute pan. Get it started. I'm going to heat it up over medium heat. We have our batter. Nice and perfectly done. So we're all ready for that. We have 2 spatulas just in case, as things kind of start moving along. We have butter, a knife for the said butter. We also have a 1/3 of a cup measuring cup, because what's going to happen is that it's going to make it a lot easier for us to go ahead and make those pancakes exactly the same size. And then we have a whole bunch of, well, technically 2 diced bananas. All right, so let's get started. Everything is almost heated up over here. I'm going to go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to go ahead and wait for it to heat up. so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just about this much. We're gonna put it right here. Then we're gonna take another one. And I'm gonna put it right here. Because they're going to spread, I don't want them too close to each other. That way they don't end up getting overlapped. Then we're going to wait for the bubbles to start forming on top. These smell so good. Can't wait. And this might take 2 to 3 minutes. Now for crepes, once everything is all heated up, you're looking at 30 seconds per side, right? For pancakes, it's going to take a little bit longer because there's way more batter and the batter is much thicker. So it's going to take a couple of minutes for you to go ahead and to start seeing that action happening. So you'll see the edges starting to form, which is good, which is what we're looking for. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take, easy, don't move, thank you. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a teaspoon of the bananas. We're just going to go ahead and start spreading them all around. So plain raw bananas going right in there. It's going to be perfect. Now, fair warning, I usually mess up the first ones, so you know, don't be surprised. If I make a mistake, I'm cool with it. This is going to take a couple of minutes more, possibly. And this batter will make enough pancakes for about 4 to 6 servings, depending on the appetites of your guests. Alright, almost there. We're going to check on the progress here. What are we doing? Still quite white, so we want to wait a little bit. Alright, ready for the mess up? It's coming. You can just feel it. I always mess up the first one. Steady, steady. Ah, so scared. Kind of excited right now. Alright, second one. Maybe I'll mess up the second one, I don't know. Ha! I got it done! Oh my god! It's kind of incredible. Doesn't happen every time. Usually I've got batter all over the place. It's kind of crazy because, you know, I'm a klutz, but that's fine. Alright, so what we're going to do now the other side is going to take significantly quicker because of the fact that the batter is almost all the way cooked through. Now the trick is knowing when to actually take them off. I like giving them a little bit more time than anything, because of the fact that nobody wants to eat raw batter, right? So what I do is I check them on the other side and make sure that they're okay. And I do want to let you guys know, one of the greatest things that I did learn is using 2 spatulas. It does actually work. You can use 2 spatulas, 2 spoons, but this makes the whole entire process way easier. Alright, so we're on to our first bad boys. So these guys should be pretty much done. What we're going to do is get a bigger plate. I have a feeling we're going to need a bigger one. These guys are huge. Alright, so that's one. Take a look at this baby. So pretty. And that's 2. Now here's trick number 2 to this. I'm going to take a paper towel and, believe it or not, I'm going to wipe off all that goodness butter. Because what's going to happen is, if you do not, all of this brown stuff is going to go onto your next pancake, and your pancakes are just going to get progressively uglier and uglier. Take another little sliver of butter. As you can see, it's a lot faster this time. This is also cool. Alright. Good. Almost there. Let's get that already. A quarter cup will also work. It'll be even a little bit easier. I just like this because I can also regulate a little bit if I want a bigger pancake or a smaller pancake. But at the same time, they still pretty much come out the same size, which is cool. Alright, so that's one. And two. Now, usually I do this on 2 saute pans. One little one for one pancake, and one bigger one for 2 at the same time. But I figured today, considering the fact that I usually mess up the first couple, decided to do it on just one. So you can't do it on 2, you just have to really make sure that you time yourself. So put down, get started on the first 2. Once you flip them, then get started on the next one. That way you have some type of rhythm to it, so that way nothing is burning at the same time. Alright guys, I'm going to keep going with these, and then I will see you guys a little bit later on, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Alright, thanks so much. So, our pancakes are ready. I'm going to go ahead and make some tea, go grab my little one from school. We're going to enjoy a nice snack before he has to go off to all of his after-school activities. So, in our next recipe, we are going to be making a triple berry compote, which you guys can serve together with this to your guests, which they're gonna absolutely love you. And it's very easy to make, very quick, and you can make it at the same time as you're making these pancakes, which means all the less work for you. Alright, so thank you so much for watching guys, and please subscribe. I would absolutely appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.